Hello viewers and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will make a W logo by using the grid, and we will make a grid first and then we will make a W logo in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Okay, so for making W logo, first of all we will select this line segment tool. From here or from here you can see the shortcut key. So we will make a line like this. Now we will duplicate it, select them and group them. Then we will resize them like this. Align it in center, copy them and paste it in front and rotate it with by pressing shift key. Again paste it in front, rotate it like this. Now select them and by pressing shift and M you can select shape builder tool. Now what we will do is we will ungroup it like this and we will cut this shape with Ctrl X and select all of these lines and delete them. Now paste the copied shape here. Okay. Now make a copy by holding Alt and drag it like this. Now we will flip this shape from here. Now drag it a little bit close. Select both and again select shape builder tool and delete these and connect these. Okay, and now what we will do, we will make a copy of this by Ctrl C and Ctrl F. And we will adjust it like this. We will cut these parts. With shape builder tool we can cut these parts and delete these lines. Now select both of these shapes and select pen tool by P, and from the center make a line and from here we will cut it down like this, and same for this. We'll cut this shape by shape builder tool. Cut out these extra lines. Now we will fill it with gradient. group all of these shapes, and now we will rotate it. This you can consider it as M shape, but as I told you that we're making a W shape, so we'll make it a little bit wide, and that's how we can make a W shape. And it's a 3D W shape, a 2D or 3D you can say. So I hope you like this video and you learned a lot from this video. So if you like, click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, and please support me. Thank you so much.